And we are online. Yay!
Hello.
Hey, okay, welcome to our P5 Math, right?
Again.
We have a boy who thinks he is a train, right? He was walking like he's like a choo-choo train. Yeah. So anyway, let's begin, yeah? So we're going to do the questions now. The first one is how many quarters are there in 3 whole and 3 over 8? So first thing is, what is a quarter? A quarter is 1 out of 4. So you want to know how many of this is inside here. You can start off with the whole number first, right? So 3 whole has how many quarters? 3 whole has how many quarters? There are 12. Okay, 3 whole has 12 quarters. Do you understand how?
Yeah.
3 whole, because it's like let me show you. It's like 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 whole, and then quarters.
Each whole has.
Yeah, each whole has got 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So 3 whole has 12. 12, right? Then this one, you see 3 out of 8. So there's a problem. My pizza, I gotta cut it into 8 parts. Like that. Like that, okay? Now, how many quarters are there in 3 out of 8? What does 3 out of 8 look like? 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many quarters are there in 3 out of 8? So I have 1 here. Okay, can you see this is 1 quarter?
Yeah.
Right, this is 1 quarter, and I have a half. 1.5 quarter. So this is 3 out of 8, right? So here there's 12. So there's 12 quarters, and then plus 1 more, right? Because this is a quarter. Can you see that? This is a quarter, and then there's a half a quarter, so plus another half. Okay, so how many quarters are there together? 13.5. So I have 13.5. Now which number shows me 13.5? Right, C.
Yeah,
The answer is C. Okay. Now this is the pictorial way of doing this. How about if I want to use the mathematical way? I take 3 over 8 divided by 1 quarter. Right, so just take 3 and 3 out of 8 divided by 1 quarter. So to divide this thing, you gotta change this to the improper fraction. Okay, and then you do the KCM. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's pretty okay. Next one. So 4 out of 9 of the fruits are apples. 1/3 of the remainder are peaches and the rest are oranges. If 6 more oranges are added in the basket, there will be equal number of oranges and all okay. So it's looking a little confusing already. So 4 out of 9 are apples. So what this means is I have apples, peaches, and oranges. So 4 units. Okay, 4 out of 9 are apples. Now the rest, 1/3 of the remainder. So what's the remainder? The remainder is 5 out of 9. It's 5 over 9. Okay. So 1/3 of these are peaches and the rest are oranges. So now I need to find what is 1/3 of 5 over 9. Right, so I take 1 over 3 times 5 over 9. I get 5 out of 27. So that means here I can split it up again. This is 5 out of 27. And this one has got to be 22 out of 27. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we know that there are 6 more oranges. Then if 6 more oranges are added, there will be an equal number of orange and apple. So this 4 over 9, I also want to change it to 27. When I change it to 27, I get a numerator of 12. Okay, so that's times 3 times 3. So I get 12 over 27. Now 6 oranges, if 6 more added, I get equal number of orange and apple. What this means is 10 over 27 is equal to 6 fruits. So how many fruits are there in the basket at first? 10 over 27 is equal to 6. Okay.
making that sound?
E.
No, no.
Wait. There's an error
Yeah,
here.
this is the sound.
Sorry, there's an error here.
Okay.
What sound? No, it's a computer lah.
Is it the fan?
Yeah, it's a fan. Okay, there's an error here. There's an error here. So if I change this to 27, this is 12. 17. So this has got to be 10. Okay. Right. So 10, 15, and 12. So when I have this, right? Because they say that there are 6 more oranges are added is equal number. So 2 out of 27 is equal to 6. And 1 over 27 is 1 over 27 is 3. And hence 27 over 27, 27 over 27, just go to times 27 times, okay? So 27 times 3 is equals to 81. Okay, so the answer is 81. B is the answer. 2, do you get B? It's a bit warm now.
Yes, not powerful. Just now
For
we
some
didn't
reason.
know when the
Yeah. So, okay, so you get the 81. Do you get 81 for the second one? Ooh, no.
So the second one is D or D?
81.
I move on.
Huh? No. You gotta swap seat. But you sit at the back way is
No,
cooler.
I like TV.
Okay, next. There. I think that is cooler.
Go.
Next. Here is very warm because like I'm sitting here, the cool air is like going to the back.
Like you said, can we come in touch with TV? I always ask random questions.
Okay, question number 3, all right? Let's see question number 3. Hey, here. Over there. So that you can see the screen. Just go closer a little bit. Okay? Is it okay? Okay? Okay, next one, question number 3. Okay, we gotta pay attention first, right? Let's pay attention how to do the stuff. Kim bought 2 packets of flour. The first packet is 3.5. The second is 5 and 3 over 3. What's the total weight? So to find the total weight, you add them together. 3.5 plus 5 whole 3 over 5. Now we need to find the common denominator. So common denominator 10. Okay, so the whole number, just add them together, you get 8. Now this will become 5 out of 10. Oops. Sorry, let's do the fraction first. So it's 5 out of 10 plus 5 whole 6 out of 10. Okay, so we add the whole number. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. And 5 plus 6 is 11 over 10. Now this is not proper fraction. So change to 9 whole 1 over 10.
Then after that, I was
A. 3A. Anyone has problem doing this? Please let me know. Then we can go through. Any problem?
what's the microphone for?
It's for my voice.
Wait, it's actually connected?
Yeah, there got light.
Hi.
Yeah, this is for the YouTuber standard microphone.
Really? I thought it was this black color.
Yeah, this $200 over. One of this.
Then why did you buy it?
Because it's quality.
Hi.
It makes my sound beautiful, even though I sound like a duck, right? But when it comes out on YouTube, I will sound like a whatever.
Watch this video and subscribe.
Okay, so next one, question number 4.
Right.
Okay. So the parameter for square is 3/4 meters. What is this area? So we gotta take 3/4 divided by 4 first to find one side. Okay, so it becomes 3 over 4 times 1 over 4. So 3 over 4 times 1 over 4 is 3 over 16. So this is one side. Okay, 3 out of 16 is one side. Now to find the area, we take 3 out of 16 times 3 over 16. So 3 over 16 times 3 over 16. Okay, so 3 times 3 equals to 9. What's 16 times 16?
I don't know. Wait, how did you get 3 out?
Oh, keep change flip, you see? keep this, change
So
this
it's
to this.
like 3 out of 4
Change
times 1 out
C,
of 4.
yeah.
Oh, I must have. Times.
So we are multiplying the,
I can't show me.
yeah, you do the numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, you get 16. So to find the area, yeah, so to find area, same thing, you do the multiplication, okay? Which will give us 9 at the top, right? 16 times 16, 160 plus 16 times 6. 256. Okay, so the answer is B, 9 over 256. Is that okay? Is that right? Alright, so can you do the next one now? We need to be very good, okay, in our fraction operation. Anything you don't understand, like you don't know how to divide, don't know how to time, please highlight. We will patiently go through them, okay? Why? Because fractions are the important parts of your curriculum, especially if you're doing math, okay? Ija, we're doing the next one now, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so.
Okay.
7, the answer that I got wasn't there. So.
Yeah, go through that. Okay, don't worry, those you don't know, you can go through that, but really I need to at least try to do, don't do, it's really not so good.
We have to do until what?
6, 7, just 5 questions.
6, 7, 8, 9. No need 10?
Just 9, right? This page.
We're done? Yeah. But I'm not sure about mine. Maybe it's a guess.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, how about we go through together? Okay.
Yeah, 9.
There we go. Pay attention. Yeah. Okay, so question number 5. There are 135 pens in the box. 2/3 of them are red, 1/9 of them are green, and the rest are blue. How many more red than blue? So what they want to do is to find out how many, because they want to compare red and blue. 2/3 of them are red, so we take 2 over 3 times 135. That's step number 1. Okay, so 2 over 3, 135, 90, right? Okay, so 90 of them are red, which is a red color. 90 of them are red. So 1 over 9 are green. So how to find the number of green? 1 over 9 times 135. So 135 divided by 9 is 15. 15, okay? And how many more? So how many red are there? So you have, sorry, how many blue? So 90 red, 15 green, and you want to find the number of blue? It's 135, take away 15, take away 90, so we get 30. So 30 blue. Okay, so how many more red? Answer is D.
Yay.
Because you take 90, 90, take away 30, equals to 60, right? Is that okay? Do you get it? Next one. So Leo is 1.5 meters tall. Wayne is 1/4 meter taller. So you have to find the height of Wayne first. So Wayne's height is 1.5 plus 1/4.
But you have to move the denominator the same first.
Yeah. So it's 2 over 4. Right? So it's 1 and 3 out of 4. Okay? 1.5 plus 1/4, 1, 3 over 4. So that's Wayne. Then Benny is 7/12 quarter. So you find Benny. gotta find the common denominator, which is 12 in this case. So it becomes 1 whole 9 over 12, take away 7 over 12. Right? So Benny's height is 1 whole 2 over 12. Okay, finally, you need to add the three of them, the height together. First one, second one, and the third one, which is 1.5. Okay, so working wise, we will have 1.5 plus 1 3/4 plus 1 2 over 12. Okay, of which they're not the same base. Can you see this 2, this 4, this 12? So they're not the same base. What do you do? Convert all to the same base. Okay, can you see? They're not the same base. So this denominator becomes 6 out of 12 because you times 6 times 6, and then this one times 3, 9 over 12. Okay, plus 1 whole 2 over 12. And once we get the new denominator the same, now you see the numerator, right? This is 6 plus 9 plus 2. What's 6 plus 9 plus 2? It's 17, right? Then you add the whole numbers together, 3 whole 17 out of 12, which becomes 1 whole, 4 whole 5 over 12. Yeah. So that sitting there is not so hard. Here is my wall back now. What? This one? It is.
Why is no one so cold?
Because it's blowing directly on the physical.
Can you like put one like the ceiling aircon that has very my friends landed house have.
Okay, the area of square is 9, and then B is 16. So if the area of A is 64, find the length. What this means is 16 units represent 64. So I want to find what is 1 unit. 1 unit represents 4. And for A is 9 units. 36. Okay, so it's 36 cm. The length of square A, length will be 1/4 of 36. What?
After about 36, I just gave up.
Wait a minute. The area of square A is 9, 16. Is the area of square is 16? What 16 divided?
Isn't it 36 already? Isn't it 36?
This is the area. Oh, the length is 6. Because if the area is 36, area 36, right? How to get 36? 6 times 6. 6 times 6 gives you 36. Got it? Give you 36 years square. So the length is 6. Okay? Come on, go. Are they meant to do 8 and 9? No? Is it tough? Okay, let's look at question number 8. Okay? So 2/3 of Howard's saving is 1/4. It's the same as 1/4 of John's saving. So we're going to draw a diagram. 2/3 means this one and this one. H for Howard and is equal to 1/4. So John is this. 1 2 3 1 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it's 1 quarter, so I need to draw 2 more.
The other classrooms cannot have TVs like this.
Yeah, the last one.
No, we don't use it. Nobody uses it.
Soon.
We don't even use it.
Okay, wait. So after each of them spends 250, Howard has 700 less than John. Each of them spends 250. What this means is two of this is equal to 2 of this. Right? So what's the difference between John and Howard? How many units difference? Here is 3 units, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5.
8 minus 3, so 5 unit difference. So the difference of 5 units is $700. Okay, so what's 1 unit? $140. So how much does Howard have now? Howard spent 2, right? So he's done with 1. So the answer is A. He only has $140 now. Is that okay? Is it really so tough? You are like quiet already. Right?
So what?
Hey. No, you never do your work. You see, I don't believe in giving break if you never do work. What's the point of giving break if you never work? Do you think you deserve the break? You don't deserve the break. Yeah, but if you never do anything and then you keep asking, can you imagine next time you are a boss, and then your staff, your person that you employ never do anything, but then keep asking, I need a break.
Not every time you need more money.
Yeah, I want more money. You're supposed to give me money. Where's my pay? Where's my pay? Then you'll be like, but you didn't do any work. But it doesn't matter. Where's my pay? Where's my up? Does it work that way? No.
It's just math.
What do you mean just math?
Math is fun.
It's just math, huh? When you are working, it's also just math.
Math is fun.
Next.
That's a door.
Do one last one, huh? Then we take a short break, okay? It's already 6:45, no?
Yep.
Wow. Okay, Lin reads 5/18 of a book on Monday and 1/6 of the book on Tuesday. So if she hopes to finish reading by Thursday, she has to read 75 pages on each of the remaining 2 days. How many pages? Alright, so I want to add this first. 5/18 plus 1/6. That is, I want to find out how much of a book she has read. Now the denominator, this is 18. Alright, so 5/18 plus 3/18. 8/18. Okay, so she has read 8/18 on Monday and Tuesday. 75 pages, 2 remaining days. So 10/18 is referring to 150 pages. So how many pages are there in the book? Pages. 10/18 is 150 pages. So maybe you find 1/18. So 1/18 is referring to 15 pages. So 18 out of 18 will be 15 times 18. 240. Oh no, there's no 240.
70.
That means I calculate wrong. 18 times 15. 90 plus 150. 18 times 15. Hey. 18 times 15. What's 18 times 15? 40. Do the long multiplication. 9, 8, 1, 270. Answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. Now, do you all find this question difficult?
Yes.
Difficult? How about Susan? Susan say easy. Easy or difficult? Difficult. Very difficult. Okay. Never mind. So looks like your brain cells are burnt a little. You want to take a short break?
I want to
You take a short break, you can't play the game already.
No, I want to play the game.
Okay, play one round. You all know how it works, huh?
Okay. Yay! Try to make more sense now.
Just one round, okay? So the rules once again, yeah, you cannot repeat the word. And this time around, you're not gonna take too long, okay? If you hesitate for 3 seconds, you're out, okay? 3 seconds. Okay, give me 5 seconds. 5 seconds, okay?
5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay.
Good.
I'm going first.
5 seconds, got it?
It's just so
No, I have a timer. How do I get a pop-up?
Oh, the screen.
Yeah. Get 5 seconds.
Okay, who starts first? I'll probably use.
Okay, 5 seconds. Got it?
Go.
Wait. I need to zoom.
I want to go first.
And I'm gonna put this thing here. Oops. See, 5 seconds. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. Wait. Wait, what's going on? Share. Screen. Yes. Okay, who starts first? Okay, me. Me. Now your turn.
Like
Dogs. Come, you help hurry. Quick.
And
Cats. Oops. Okay, the timer is a bad idea. Cats.
auto. Scary.
Okay, full stop. X.
Also. Crocodiles.
Crocodile.
With penguins.
Penguin. Comma. Okay, I will input the punctuation, right? It's comma is a comma. Continue from comma.
Sandwiches.
What?
Sandwiches.
Penguin sandwiches. Okay.
No.
Okay, full stop. Next.
No,
Oh, 1 out. Okay, continue. Okay, next. She.
1, 2, 3.
Rich.
WH.
She rich. See? Rich. Why is she rich? She rich don't make sense.
Sunflowers.
Okay, I'm sorry, it doesn't make sense, right? So we started with this. Try again. She.
See? 1, 2.
Must.
Eat.
Eat.
Many pieces of cockroaches.
What?
Ants.
On what?
Ants.
On ants? Okay, still makes sense, yeah.
Ants, water.
I'm sorry, I gotta eliminate you. I cannot, that makes sense. Okay, next. Gone. Yeah, gone.
What? How come you didn't do that for Luann?
No, never
When
mind.
she said which?
What? Yeah.
Fine.
What?
Which is already there.
Who stop already?
No, she said wait.
Oh,
wait.
go.
They're gone.
Gone. Hey, she's the winner. Hey, she wins this round. That's it. Go back.
No, we still have.
Ah, okay, one more round.
Okay, wait.
One round. Let's do faster, okay? You gotta do faster. Okay, wait.
Oh, that's not bad.
Now let's do. Wait. It's my text. Okay. Let's start from Suchan. Suchan is the winner. Suchan is the winner. Let's start. Wait. Alright. Ija.
No. 2.
And. I want to play and.
Game.
Huh?
Game.
I love to play and game. No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be more strict now, right? Cannot. And now your turn.
Swim.
So Ija is out, And. Now your turn.
Swimming.
Swimming. Okay.
Pool.
Yeah. Pool. That's a full stop. Okay, next. Next word. Eat. Eat.
Also.
Eat also. Okay.
Have. My. Phone.
Wait.
Water.
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 5, 4, 3,
With water.
1.
On.
Okay. Makes sense. Next. On what?
Water.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, sorry. Doesn't make sense. Okay. Full stop. On what? So the way is out. Okay. Left 2%. Park.
On.
Next.
Mr.
Sun.
Likes. The sun.
The sun.
Likes.
What about the sun? What? Why you always pee on? Pee.
P.
5, 4,
People.
3, 2. Likes pee people. What's pee people? Okay. 5.
Although.
What?
Although.
Yeah.
Sheep.
She. Mr. No.
Oh, he. Although he.
Yes. A lot. Yes, right. A lot. Of? Stink?
Yeah, a lot of stink.
What do you mean?
Because Mrs. Sun likes stink.
Okay. Come on. 5, 4, 3. What? Glass clothes.
Yeah. There's a lot of stink clothes. Clothes, pants.
Pants. Okay, somewhere along the line it's not making sense already. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna call this to make sense. Okay. All right. So anyway, the winner is you.
Yay!
All right. No, there's no class clothes, pants.
It's okay. Let's read it. I love to play and swim at the swimming pool. Okay, that makes sense. It also has my phone with water on board. Mr. Sun likes pee all pee. Although he has a lot of things. Okay.
No, it doesn't make sense.
Me like dogs and cats, although they Yes. Also, I love crocodiles and
Penguins,
squid.
Wow, this is disgusting.
It was very little crocodiles and ants. So this is like a lunch meal.
Yeah.
Crocodiles.
Okay. Now I need you all to do some work. Okay. Now you have fun already. Yeah. Now you see the rest of the work is actually really very easy. Can you see the problem sum ends at 10. Now if you look at 11 onwards, right? 11, 12. Ija, go back. Ija, go back. Okay. So if you look at 11, 12, 13. Onwards, they are all very routine questions. Now, I need listen. Hey, you must let me finish talking, okay? You do until 25, okay? Can you see? You are doing all the simple sums. All these simple sums to do. Yeah, it's just from 11 to 25. Hey, Ija. So homework 11 to 25, okay? I know, but I thought you just started school today.
6 pages of homework.
Yeah, that's not a lot.
What's homework?
That's very little. Okay, you gotta do more. Okay?
I got 5 pages of.
Yeah, you gotta do more. Right. So anyway, please go back to do. Yeah, homework is question 11 to 25. Okay, you gotta do all this stuff. I really encourage you to do your work because you're already P5. Remember, next year is the big exam, you know, PSLE. Yeah, this year is for them. Now,
What's your exam for again? Nothing.
next year is a big exam. This year. Now this year the questions are going to be tough for you, as you have seen. You know, you saw all those problem sums, right? It's going to be like this, you know, your exam.
Wow.
This year onwards.
Is
Yeah.
it like 17 of those?
No, this year onwards is going to be like this, right? So you better get ready for this. Or if you don't know how to do this, your result is going to plunge like a cliff waterfall. You go all the way down. Okay, which is why we are doing it right now. Yeah, so that's why we are doing all this.
All my teachers say that our scores were like.
Yeah, you plunge. Yeah, two bands or more. Because you know why? Because you're not used to doing questions like that. Remember just now when we were doing, you're like struggling and then I don't want all this stuff. But the exam is all about this, okay? Which is why I want to start early. I'm not going to wait until March. What do you mean only P5? Oh, why P5? Because if they do it at P4, then you will say why P4? If they do it at P6, then you say, oh, it's too late. So do P5, no? See, is that a good answer? Yes, right. I'm encouraging myself. Well done, Mr. Deng. Thank you very much. Well done, Mr. Deng. Thank you very much. Hey, something. Okay, got it? So please go back and do the homework, all right? Now, next week, whoever never bring the worksheet will get penalty, you know.
Never bring or never do?
Never bring and never do. I'm gonna have a forfeit for you. Okay?
What's the forfeit?
Next week you will find out if you never bring and you never do. So remember to bring. No, put it down. People might trip on the links. Okay, bye bye.